We're at Matsuya in Tokyo, Japan. Let's get some gyudon. We have 2 bowls of gyudon. Gyudon is a thinly sliced beef on rice. We have a standard set of gyudon, and we have a gyudon with green onions and an egg, and it comes with a miso soup. We're gonna start with the classic just to see the quality of the beef. The beef is thin, but it's so flavorful. There are caramelized onions in here, so the beef has a little bit of an oniony flavor to it. The beef has to be flavored in a broth because the beef flavor is very strong with the onions, and it's quite nice on this bed of rice. We're going for the egg and green onion. It's gonna break and mix up. I'm ready for this first bite. It's totally worth adding the green onion and egg. The flavor is rich, but it's more of a light meal, so you won't get overly full eating this. The miso soup is an easy way to cleanse your palate too. A lot of places have self-service stations for water and tea, and that can be hot or cold water or tea. Tables have additional condiments like pickled ginger, maybe a yakiniku sauce, or even soy sauce. We're adding the 7 spice and the yakiniku. Simple dishes like this have incredible fresh flavors that are really enhanced by mixing in the condiments. Pickled ginger just adds that next level of bite. The rice is such good quality that I can just scoop it up with the chopsticks. As you eat through the bowl, the sauces, ingredients blend together to really change the flavor of the dish. It's almost like a new dish by the very end. Restaurants in Japan often have customizable privacy. So if I need to separate myself from Bernie,
it's easily done.
a lot of the chains have a diner vibe. They seem intimidating at first, but they're easily accessible. That's because they have a kiosk where you can choose English. Once you choose the English menu, you can see what the restaurant has to offer, make your selection, pay with a card or even a Suica card. You get a ticket, you wait for your ticket to be shown on a TV by the counter, hand over your ticket and get your food. It's a simple and straightforward process. I enjoy it a lot because I like seeing what's offered at the kiosk, and it's an easy way for us to overcome the language barrier. If you're in Tokyo, Japan, stop by Matsuya and get some gyudon. We'll see you in the next video.